Listen to the wind. The earth still speaks when the world stays silent. Nature never lies. Walking through the trees with peace in my soul, watching rivers flow while the clouds move slow. Every leaf dancing to a rhythm so pure. In a broken world, nature feels secure. Mountains standing tall through the test of time. Birds singing melodies without a rhyme. Sunrise painting colors no human could make. Beauty so real it makes my heart awake. No money, no fame, no artificial glow, just the sound of the rain and the breeze that blows. Nature heals wounds nobody can see, bringing lost souls back to harmony. Nature, the language of the earth, reminding us what life is worth when everything feels cold. Nature, a shelter for the weak, speaking when no words can speak, with stories never told. The ocean carries secrets deep below. The moonlight guides the night so slow. Even flowers bloom after heavy rain, teaching broken hearts to rise again. Animals living without greed or hate, while humans keep destroying what they create. Still the earth keeps giving endlessly, even after all our cruelty. Maybe heaven looks like forest, maybe peace sounds like the sea. Maybe God hides inside sunsets for wounded hearts to see. And when my soul feels tired, I look up at the sky above, because